Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we're going to sneaker review and unboxing with the Nike SACAI MAGMASCAPE. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike SACAI collab with the MAGMASCAPE. And we got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42.5, and it's US 9. We got this in the Varsity Royal colorway, and these sneakers, or boots even, are really dope. Let's get unboxing. Let's just show you the goodness. And here they are. Now, these were first seen at Fashion Week. I think it was 23 for winter. I'm trying to remember for the life of me. I have forgotten. Sorry guys. But I do remember seeing these being worn at the SACAI fashion show, and it was the first time they debuted, well, this sneaker of course, but they debuted the SACAI Carhartt collection. And I just remember one of the models wearing this. Well, I kind of saw it from the top down, and I was thinking, yo, SACAI are doing a footscape. And to be fair, much preferred seeing the Nike Air Footscape design, but this essentially, because it was all for autumn winter, they did a hiking boot mesh blend hybrid with the footscape. So we're going to get into the details why this is called the MAGMASCAPE and a little bit of the history of the two shoes that were used in this sneaker design. But we'll get into all the details right now. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole obviously takes from the Nike Air Footscape, and you can see the waffle design right there, iconic with Nike. And the midsole unit is just a typical foam. I don't think there's an air unit embedded. There shouldn't, even though the two sneakers and, well, one sneaker and the boot that was involved to make a hybrid of this both used air technology. Otherwise, Nike would have put the Nike Air in its name, but this is just called the Nike MAGMASCAPE. So you can see right here the footscape design right there, and you can see the Air Magma. So this essentially is an amalgamation of the Air Footscape and the Nike Air Magma. So the Nike Air Magma was a hiking boot from the 80s, and the footscape was obviously a running sneaker from the late 90s, early 2000s. The footscape woven is one of my favorite sneakers. The footscape silhouette is probably one of my favorite sneakers from Nike. And you can see the inspiration, you can see the blend right here. This is what Nike and SACAI tend to do. What SACAI usually does with Nike, they get two sneakers, well in this case it's a boot, and just blend them together to make a really cool, unique design. Obviously, we've done tons of Nike SACAI reviews in the past, so if you get a moment, check those out. We've done the LD Waffle, we've done the Vapor Waffle, we've done tons. So if you get a moment, check those reviews out. But again, the guys at SACAI, Shito Abe, shout out to Shito Abe if you're watching this. And we know that you're one of the best designers in the world. And I mean, this is not my favorite design, but I'm here for it because it's got a footscape and it's got that cool fashion kind of implemented. So if you look at the upper, again, so just without the main upper, the ankle support, the main body here is the Air Footscape. So you can see the lacing system is similar to any footscapes that you'd find. You got the mesh uppers right here. You can find the suede, the nubuck toe cap with a little Nike swoosh. And what's cool is you've got two sets of laces embedded, so you can see it making its way up. So you've got this toggle with the white laces, and then you've got this rope laces that signify the magma part of this hybrid. And then you've got the Nike SACAI logo on the tongue. And then we look at the heel unit. So this heel unit, you've got elevated pull tab right there with the Nike swoosh. And then we look at the ankle support. So this is the main focus of the Magma, the Nike Air Magma. You can see it's as though the Nike Air Magma is wrapped in the footscape. So if you are familiar with the Nike Air Magma, this is what the ankle support looks like, the upper, and you could see the Nike embossed, that's right there, with the swoosh. And on the insole, you've got the Nike SACAI lettering, the logo in a foam it's a foam insole. Really dope in this design. Again, to be fair, I wish I had like the SACAI Carhartt attire to go with this, because that's how it was debuted at Fashion Week. I'm not gonna lie, I do wish this was the footscape and none of the Magma, but given my love for like the hiking aesthetic, the cool fashion, is quite kind of dope. So we'll see how it fits on. Roll out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I try and get my true to size Nike fit. This unfortunately is the UK size 8. It's half a size bigger to what I typically wear for Nike. I typically wear a 7.5, which is a European 42. So there is a bit of space where my toes are. It's not that bad, but I know I can feel it's quite spacious. So I'd rather have a snug fit personally. But no, these look really cool on. They're very warm because this is kind of like a boot as well, and they look really cool on. I mean, I'm a big fan of the footscape woven, so there's that bias towards it, and I'm a big fan of SACAI, especially after seeing this on Fashion Week when they debuted SACAI Carhartt. So if anyone from SACAI is watching, we know that you are, give some jackets to the boys. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.